Hello guys, good afternoon from Portugal. Today I have 20 euro session, 100x and extra. Hola a todos, mais día de luta. Vamos jugar y ganar. Let's start, vamos comenzar. Let's start with 100x. Obviously it's a matching number game. And for those who don't play lottery, any multiplier is automatic win. Multiply with the given prices. Gonna use 10 peso. Moeda das Pilipinas. Okay? Peso. In our country, guys, we use peso. Okay? Okay, we're looking for these 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, 5 numbers. In Portuguese, 21, 26, 16, 12, 27. 41, 33, 13. Oh my Diyos, I put lotion on my hands, guys. 43. This is 13, guys. 22, 31, I use enjoy my world coin. Nada, 11, 42, 30. All low numbers, guys. 18, 14, 28, 37, 27, 17, 19, 24, come on, ticket, 44, 32, 35 y 23. Nada. Okay, so this is not a winner. Okay, let's go to extra. It's a matching number game, and if we uncover symbol rayo in Portuguese or lightning bolt, we win double the prize shown, and if we uncover the symbol star, we win all prizes. We're looking for 27, 63, 16, 37, 18, 52, 34, 26, 29, 27, 15, 13 that I needed in the first ticket, 45, 12, 69, 61, backwards, 39, 23, 38, 31, 33, 32, 65, 29, 68, nada, 43, 62, nada. Ay, I found a match, 63. Woohoo! What a save! Come on, more matches. 55, 63. Come on, Pilipinas. Pilipinas. Oh, meu Diyos. Hey. 10 euro. €10, guys. T is not €10, guys. It's €20. I missed something. Because the symbol is T. This is a €20 win, guys. This is not a €10 win. Okay, so I missed numbers, guys. 30, 26, 59, 27. Ay! I miss 27, guys. Kusti is 20 euro win. Nice. Woohoo! So I got back my money, guys. I got back my money. I missed 27 match, guys, and 63. So I got all my money in the session, guys. Very nice. I bought this 100x because I saw in the trash 4 losing tickets in a row. So I bought the next ticket. So it means 5 tickets in the row it's possible to lose 5 tickets in a row in this ticket because I saw in the trash 4 tickets in a row, and I asked the lady what's the next number, and she said the last number in the trash was 13. I asked the lady what's the next number, and she said 14. So I bought this ticket. So it's possible to get 5 tickets in a row loser in this ticket, guys. So be careful in this ticket. This ticket is so tricky. Nice, guys. So I got back all my money in this session. I got matching 63 and 27. I missed the 27. Okay, so nice. Nice session, guys. For me, if I don't lose anything, it's a nice session. Okay. Today is July 31. So I end up the month with a win. It's not a win, but I got back all my money. When you get back all your money, guys, is a win. Because 90% of the time, I give donations. Okay, so it's a good session, guys. For me, this is a good session. The last ticket saved me. Okay. Nice. I'm old, guys. That's why I was writing, guys. This is not dirt. This is ink. Okay. I always miss numbers in this ticket because there's a lot of ticket. So when I check the lottery code, is T and T is 20 euro. So I'm okay with this result, guys. Okay, I was talking and my phone stop working. Okay, so I got all my money, guys. The Philippine peso saved my 20 euro. So I have more money to buy losing tickets for the next sessions. I only spend, guys, how much I can afford to lose. Okay? Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.